Oh. Nature had a different plan. Yeah. I was sitting back thinking, watching the world spin round, trying to understand why love so often break down. Then I looked at nature, out where the wild things roam, and I saw a lesson people done forgot at home. In the fields and forests, where survival draws a line, usually one strong leader gets first pick every time. The rest keep moving, fighting just to rise someday. That old law of nature had a certain kind of way. But when it come to humans, everything got rearranged. Rules got written down, and the whole game changed. Nature had a different plan, but people made their own. One man with one woman, building a stable home. Not just love and roses, not just rings and bands. Sometimes laws get written when nature had a different plan. Now Bobo got 10 children, Joe got 9 more. Can't raise what they created, still knocking at the door. Some folks making babies, but never making roots. Planting seeds everywhere, never tending to the fruit. And somewhere there's a good man, working hard and standing tall, trying to build a family, but confusion blocks it all. So I started wondering why the system looks this way. Maybe old time people saw the danger back one day. Maybe they knew if strength ruled unchecked and free, some men would take it all, leave none for the weak to be. Nature had a different plan, but people made their own. One man with one woman, building a stable home. Not just love and roses, not just rings and vans. Sometimes the laws get written when nature had a different plan. Oh, now don't get mad at me, I'm just asking questions loud, trying to read the smoke while everybody watch the cloud. 'Cause marriage ain't just passion, and love ain't just desire. Sometimes it's built to hold back chaos and fire. A house needs foundation, children need steady hands. Life needs some order if tomorrow's gonna stand. So maybe vows and promises was more than hearts in bloom. Maybe they were guardrails to keep us from our doom. 'Cause when nobody's loyal and nobody takes a stand, everybody suffer from a broken master plan. So where the law of nature, one truth I understand: love works best with duty, not just demand. Nature had a different plan, but people made their own. One man with one woman, trying to make a home. It ain't always perfect, but wisdom understands. Sometimes the rules get written when nature you had a different plan. Yeah.